team an unforgettable Tanzanian safari with a relaxing week on Zanzibar on this 11-day adventure. Begin by traveling deep into the heart of the magnificent Selous Game Reserve in the south of the country. The reserve is massive, 2013, the size of Switzerland, 2013, with fantastic wildlife, including endangered African wild dogs, limited tourist numbers and excellent levels of guiding, which means you 2019 be sure to see and experience an incredible safari. From Selous, you 2019 will fly to beautiful Zanzibar to relax and unwind. Stay on Zanzibar, where you can enjoy a tour of Stone Town, spice plantation trips, day visits to the Jozani forest, snorkeling and diving, traditional dhow cruises and more. You may also like to include Pemba and Mafia Islands in this part of your trip, which all offer different experiences. Contact our Tanzania specialists to chat through what you 2019 interested in and design your tailor-made holiday. You fly by light aircraft between Dar es Salaam, Selous and Zanzibar, and stay in locally owned properties. This trip can be completely tailor-made to suit your interests.